So if you're a current Vivax-Metrotech locator user, you probably have an idea that we have some different direct connect leads. And here on this table, I have a variety of them. Each one has a different connector at the end, so different alligator clips, and also a different plug to plug into the transmitter. So in the past, Vivax-Metrotech, on their leads, their direct connect leads, have used an XLR connector, the 3-pin. Within the last couple years, they switched over to a speak-on connector, which is this blue one over here. You can buy all the leads in both connector, depending on what female connector you have on the transmitter.